Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing the full range of makeup products from YUKI Cosmetics. And because they're a Korean brand, I'll be creating a glowy skin makeup tutorial in this review video too. And let's get started! To create glowy skin, I'm going to mix a liquid highlighter with some foundation. Here I'm using YUKI Highlighter Beam in number 4 Champagne Dream. So the highlighter beam comes in 10 shades, they are super shimmery and pigmented, and there's a doe foot wand packed in a really cute petite bottle. To create natural glowy skin, it is important to pick a liquid-based highlighter with micro shimmers and with an undertone that matches your own skin. I mixed 2 parts of the highlighter beam to 1 part foundation to mimic that really nice wet and glowy skin texture. Dab and blend it onto the cheekbones, T-zone and nose bridge, or just anywhere that you want the light to catch. It's so important to apply it on a wet surface like foundation that's not set, or else your foundation might end up looking a little bit cakey. Mixing liquid highlighters with foundation is also a really great way to ensure liquid highlighters last longer in the heat. I also applied some highlighter directly on areas I want to bring out more, like the nose bridge, cupid's bow and the brow bone.
Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside and wait until I'm safe again.
Now the glowy base is done, I'm using YUKI Essence Water Marble Pact in shade 21 to set. It's a mineral baked powder with great sebum control. The marbling looks pretty cool up close, reminds me a lot of my dining table. It has medium coverage and a very soft and smooth finish, but the name water is a little bit misleading because it goes on matte. It comes in only shade 21 and 23, which are either too light or too dark for me, so I used it as a finishing powder instead. I have combination oily skin, so setting makeup is really important, but I left out areas that I have highlighted previously. Did you guys also know that setting foundation with a powder puff mattifies the skin better? That's because it picks up more product than a brush and patting it seals the foundation better. So to set the glow on the skin and let it still be visible, use a brush instead of a puff and lightly pat over. If your makeup ends up looking too powdery, you can take some of it away with a finishing spray.
Don't wanna care about them.
Next up, we have YUKI Mineral Powder Brow Pencil in number 6 Dark Brown. On first look, it's like a regular powder type brow pencil, but the spoolie was so soft, it really blew me away. It even comes with a sharpener for the brow pencil, so that was really useful because not all of them comes with sharpeners. There are 6 different brow shades in total, and I picked number 6 dark brown to match my hair, and then I'll draw some straight brows with a little bit of arch at the end. I really like how the pencil lead is so soft that it's easy to draw with very little pressure.
I wanna stay wide open.
Going back to the highlighters, I'm using number 9 Coral Beige to create a peachy eyeshadow look, and you can also use this color as a cheek highlighter. For this look, I just dabbed some onto the inner 2/3 of my eyelid. It dries down to a powdery texture, but I pretty much stained my eyelid tape.
Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd, feeling heartbeat. Everybody's carefree. Everybody's carefree.
Next, I'll be using number 10 Shimmer Brick on the outer eye corner and lower lash line. It's a delicate bronzy shade and it creates a really nice shading effect as eyeshadow. You can use a brush to layer and smudge the highlighter as well.
Counting every moment till the weekend comes. I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance, 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 dance.
The next shade I'm going to try on the inner eye corner is number 1 Marshmallow. At first, I thought it was a warm white, but it turned out to be silver, which was too strong. And then I mixed a little bit with the previous Coral Beige to get a soft pink color. Apply it with a brush onto the inner eye corners.
about to lose my mind, I'm going crazy.
The last product I'm going to try is YUKI Mineral Glow Blusher in number 2 Shine Peach. It's a shimmery baked blusher with marbling and it comes in 5 different shades. I chose Shine Peach to match the eyeshadow colors. Gently sweep the blusher onto cheeks for an added glow.
Feeling heartbeat, everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd, feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night.
Complete the makeup look and you're done! That's all for the glowy skin makeup tutorial. I really like how it turned out and my favorite item is definitely highlighter beam because it's so pigmented and versatile. Let me know in the comments which product you love to try too. Remember to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!